I'm going to ask a colleague of yours and a colleague of ours from South Africa, Simon Eppel, who is, of course, also a trade unionist and has been involved in the trade negotiations in the CFTA, to talk about what he sees as some of the key trade policy challenges facing African countries in the CFTA negotiations. And how do you think, Simon, that we can address these challenges to create a mutually beneficial, inclusive, and developmental CFTA, as Comrade Issa Aremo has said? Over to you, Simon.
In the trade policy, industrialization must be at the heart of it. Industrialization is considered differently. Everyone agrees it's necessary, but in some instances, some colleagues appear to want to, or some countries want to do trade on the basis of the status quo. In other words, let's trade what we can with what we currently do, and let's create a trade arrangement or agreement that speaks to what we currently do. And then is a set of positions that counter to that, which says, let's build industrialization both based and trade arrangements, both built based on what we currently have and what we want in future. And those are two different things in a very practical way. The point of the AfCFTA is that we trade on the basis of trying to create jobs to enhance the wealth of the people of the continent, to try to create income for the people of the continent. And so the trade policy for the continent needs to firstly recognize that people are employed in the cotton to textiles, cotton to clothing value chain across the continent, and it needs to protect those jobs. We can't have a set of policies that undermine jobs or lead to jobs being lost. So we need to protect the jobs that exist.